Welcome to the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 4G. Bought in England today. I was queuing up from best part of 5 o'clock this morning in Manchester, which wasn't too early considering. There was only people. The earliest time people were there was from 2 o'clock today. So to be honest, it was pretty good. There was about 30 people in front of me. So let's open this box and let's check it out. Now, I'm going to do this with one hand while holding the camera at the same time. There we go. Now, here we go. Let's lift it and slide it off. Woohoo! Here we go. Hey! This is what I've been waiting for all morning. Actually, for the last several months. The iPhone 4. Here we go. As you can see, it has a sleek metal band around it, which conducts the reception part of it. Everything just looks so much better quality. The speakers on the bottom look great. Should be less cracking now on the bottom of the iPhones like we had with the past ones. On the side, you've got the volume, same as last time. There we have the headphone jack, the on and off, and nothing on the side of the SIM card on the side here. The back is beautiful and feeling as well. There's a 5 megapixel camera, and there's a flash as well, and there's a front. Now I'm not sure if I can turn it on right now, but let's have a look. Okay, it does turn on. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to have to install a SIM card and get this up and running, so I'll show it running with a few applications very shortly. So we'll cut straight into that in a few moments time. Now, just before I get it linked in with the computer, I just want to show what's inside the box. I almost forgot. So inside the box we get, first of all, a handy little key for opening up the SIM slot thing, which we probably had on the past ones, but I've never seen it in my life before. Secondly, inside the box we've got the standard plug for USB cable, and your headphones, and of course the trusty instructions. That's the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 4G with magicworld.co.uk. Alright, now it is restoring with my last backup of iTunes. Very simple procedure so far. I had to register my new micro SIM card, which I got from the O2 shop, and literally register it. Within 24 hours it will swap over from my old phone to my new one, but in the meantime I can play around, have a laugh, you know, do the usual. So hopefully shortly it'll be completed. I'll have all my music and everything will be just as it was on my iPhone 3GS. You can already notice the pixelage on the screen is so much brighter, so much better. Alright, this is the last and final part of this video. I've now unlocked it, so I'm going to unlock it, let you see my code. I've just bought a product on there, but it's all been synced in and the screen is fabulous. Really sharp, really bright. I'm going to show you the new features on this. The camera is fabulous, so we're going to go to the camera first. In the camera you can clearly see a massive difference in the quality. It's got 5 times zoom on it, and also it switches very quickly to video and HD video. Also, the main feature of this new operating system that comes with this phone is multitasking. So, if we just tap this twice, it shows exactly what we're running. So down at the bottom here are all the programs that I'm currently running. And if I wish, I can just hold and close them down. And that will make room for more memory on the phone. But that's essentially the new iPhone 4G opened up today, and I am more than happy with it. Thank you for watching, and visit magicworld.co.uk the sponsors of this video.